Hi people. So in the last 3 to 4 videos, we proved the values of trigonometric ratios at 5 angles, right? Theta is 0 degree, then 30, 45, 60 and 90, right? So first we did 45 and then 60 and then 2 videos on 90 and 0 degree. Okay. Now what I have prepared for you is, it's essentially a small task. It's a revision in one sense. What I wanted to do is, look at this table first, okay? Now clearly here are all the thetas. For theta is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, and on this side we have all the f of theta, means functions of theta. So what are functions? I already gave you an intro into functions, right? We plug in a value of x and we'll get some value, okay? So we get some value, we input this value and we will get something. And this is the very basic definition of functions. Okay, so what I want you to do is go ahead, prove all these ratios, but only for sine theta. Okay, so after you've done proving it, solve for only for sine theta. Okay, so complete only this rule. Okay, and then here comes the special part, that once you have proved these ratios for sine theta, I want you to prove all these ratios, all the rest, this grid, okay, these are 25, okay, these 25 using our knowledge of relationships between these ratios, okay, cofunctions and the properties inside, like cosec, bisec, we'll call it, okay. So pause this video and give it a try. So now that you have paused the video, let's see how we can do it. Okay, so let me just write all the values for sine theta. Okay, so sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. This is the value you must be getting. Now see, now we need to fill the row for cos theta. Okay, so what do we know the relationship? What is the relationship between sine theta and cos theta? If you think about it, this is what we have studied, right? Cos of theta is equal to the sine of 90 minus theta, right? These are called cofunctions. So what if we put 0 instead of theta, right? So cos 0 degree will be sine 90 minus 0, right? So let me just write this down. So cos 0 degree will be sine 90 minus 0. But what is 90 minus 0? It's 90, right? So cos of this angle theta will be sine of 90. So we can just write it down as 1. Okay, these two are same. Now what if I put 30 in this case? Okay, it's cos of 30 degree. Okay, now what will happen if I put cos of 30 degree? It will be equal to sine of 90 minus 30 degrees. 90 minus 30 is 60, so it will be equal to sine 60 degrees. What is sine 60 degrees? Root 3 by 2, right? So we get cos 30 as root 3 by 2. Now what if we put 45 degrees? So let cos 45 degree will be sine 45 degree, right? 90 minus 45 degree is 45 itself, so that's 1 by root 2. Similarly, we can you can prove it for 60 degrees. So cos 60 degree will be sine 30 degrees, so it will be 1 by 2. And cos 90 degree will be sine of 90 minus 90, so sine of 0 degree will be 0. Okay, so we have solved 2 rows. Okay, now what about tan theta? How can I use tan theta? How can I use these 2 rows of sine theta and cos theta to get the value of tan theta? Well, it's easy, right? We know another relationship, that sine theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta, right? So we just divide these two and see what we'll get. Okay, so sine theta upon cos theta, so 0 by 1, nothing but 0. Okay, Now sine 30 degree upon cos 30 degree. So we'll just divide these two and we'll get this cell. Okay. So 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. We'll get root 3 as our answer. Okay. Now again sine 45 upon cos 45 will give us tan 45, right? So we divide these two cells and we will get this cell. It will be 1. Again, we divide these two cells and we will get this one. 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 and we will get root 3. Now this is really interesting. So 1 divided by 0. And we did an entire video discussing on what 1 by 0 really is. So if you have not watched it, so I encourage you to watch it, and it will be not defined, right? So ND for short. Now I have proved 3 rows. Okay, we know 3 rows. Now what is cosec? Well, cosec is really nothing but 1 by sine theta, right? The reciprocal of sine theta. So to fill these cells, I can just simply take the reciprocals of all these and we will get this row, right? So again, what is the reciprocal of 0? It's 1 by 0, and 1 by 0 is again not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by 2, okay, 2. You know why this is happening, right? Because cosec theta is 1 by sine theta, so reciprocals. Again, so cosec 45 degree will be 1 upon sine 45 degree, which is root 2. Okay, and cosec 60 degree will be 1 by sine 60 degree, so we get 2 by root 3. And what will be the cosec of 90 degree? So 1 by sine of 90 degree, so 1 by 1 and 1. Now for sec. Now sec is nothing but 1 by cos, right? So we'll just take the reciprocals of all these and we can just write it down there. So everything is valid till now. 1 by 1 is 1. So 2 by root 3 by 2. What is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2? It's 2 by root 3. Again, reciprocal of 1 by root 2, root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2. And again, what's the reciprocal of 0? Right. Again, it's not defined. What about cot theta? Cot theta is 1 upon tan theta, right? So it will be 1 by 0. Again, 1 by 0 is undefined. Now cot 30 degree is 1 by root 3, reciprocal of 1 by root 3. We get it as 1 by 3. Okay, and another way to prove this is that cot, we know the relationship, right? Cot theta is nothing but tan of 90 minus theta. Okay, we know this relationship, so we can just do the way we did for sine and cos. Okay, so we can do either ways. Let's just continue. So we get cot of 45 degrees reciprocal of tan 45 degrees 1, and cot of 60 degrees. Okay, cot of 60 degrees as reciprocal of tan of 60 degrees. So again, reciprocal of root 3, which is 1 by root 3. Okay, now notice till now we are getting the exact same thing, right? Tan 30 degree is cot 60 degree, right? And cot 30 degree is tan 90 minus 30, 60 degree. Till now everything is consistent. Now what is 1 by not defined? Interesting, right? So if we define 1 by 0 as not defined, and then we can say that 1 by not defined is equal to 0. Can we say? It turns out we can, and if this doesn't this doesn't go well, then we can use our cofunction properties, right? Cot of 90 degree will be tan 90 minus 90 degree. Okay, so cot 90 degree will be tan 0 degree, right? What is tan 0? Tan 0 is 0. And so just rub this off and make it. Okay, so you get a nice looking table. Okay, this is a table for all values of theta, not all values, but these 5 specific values for every trigonometric ratio. Now in the next video, we'll see how to use these values in some questions. Thanks for now, and I hope it helped.